Hey, this is Joel, and today I'm going to be unboxing here. Okay, let me adjust that a little bit so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, yeah. Anyways, well, I just got back from being at Wedgwood today, so I'm like really tired. Try to open this with my bare hands. This can be really hard because I'm like out of it. Oh wait, there we go. Hold on. This isn't quite working. Oh yes it is. Oh yes it is. Let's see what I got. Yeah, that. Oh yeah. Shipping stuff. Of course. Fallen. Why does it look like it's upside down? My camera's right side up, but it looks upside down on the screen, but I'm holding it the right way. That's weird. Anyways. Da 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 da. It's paper. No, I'm just kidding. Wow! Wow! Look at that! Yeah. Chief mids. Oh yeah, these look nice. Okay, I got all that stuff out. Okay. Chief mids here. Oh yeah. Nice vulcanized outsole. Nice and flexy right out of the box. Yeah, nice medium padded. I can't get this in the right. Okay, medium padded collar, like kind of light medium. The tongue is like a light medium, but it's like thick at the same time. It's weird. It's a weird combination. A nice toe cap. Right now in the lighting, I can't really tell how many stitches it has. Double stitched. Had to bring it over a little bit. A nice grip. Yeah, I think these should probably do pretty good. When I skate these, I'm probably going to use shoe glue, and I'm going to try to make these last forever. So, I'm going to try this one on, take my Circas off. It's my right Circa. I'm doing some switch. It's my left. So, I'm going to try some Collins on. Oh, yeah. Oh, these feel nice. I'll even have them laced up. Well, that one, anyways. Feels real nice. Oh, yeah. Let's see here. You get this out of this one, out of the left. Oh, yeah. Chief mid. I decided to go with Chief mid from Fallen because they were on sale at CCS, and I only skate mid-top vulcanized shoes. That's all I skate. Can't skate anything else. I can't skate cup soles because they have bad board feel, and I snap too many boards when I skate them. I can't do low tops because my ankles will probably shatter. So yeah, well, these look quite nice on me. But even though I don't really go for looks, I go for the way they're built. But yeah, these look quite nice actually. A nice mid-top. It actually comes a little bit above my ankle, which I really like. So yeah, nice and flexible too. They feel already like broken in a way. I like that. This is my America Jerry Sue's. I'll be skating these pretty soon here when I get my Baker put together. So yeah, peace.